energy aligns with purpose bright. Through stormy nights we learn to fight. Two souls transformed by pain and light. Strangers yet parallels inside. Love pulls us in its gentle sway. A lovely way to fall each day. God hears the prayers my heart displays. True love, it seems,